Would you like to start a garden this year, but it feels super overwhelming? Or maybe you're getting a late start? Today I'm here with my 12-year-old son to show you how quick and easy it can be done. Hi, I'm Valerie.
And I'm Rayen.
And we're here with Now Gardening. Today we want to show you an incredibly simple way to get a garden bed going fast.
And to make it even more fun, it's gonna be a race, and we'll keep a timer to see how long it takes.
Are you ready?
I'm so gonna beat you.
Don't get your hopes up. Oh!
Whoa.
Oh no! Long sucker. I knew how this was gonna go.
Joke's on you, my idea worked.
Okay, just a quick break here to tell you what we're doing. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay down a layer of cardboard. You'll see that I'm laying it right down on the weeds and the grass. And so that's actually gonna smother out the weeds and the grass so I don't have those coming up through the garden and competing with my vegetables this summer.
Where's my pieces?
Did you take some of mine?
No.
Yes. Now, I have done this many times before. It is truly the simplest way to get a garden bed started, where you don't have to till, you don't have to dig, you don't have to construct a raised bed. Didn't you do it that way?
Yeah, Mama.
I put down 4 bags of garden soil, and this is garden soil that is for an organic garden. Ryan, are you okay? Here, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep it kind of tapped down as I go here so that it doesn't just like spread out all over the place. Wheelbarrow full or 2/3 full or whatever of the compost. And this is some compost that actually came from our local tree farm. Let's smack myself in the head with the rake.
What?
You don't even have to use compost. This is just something that I like doing because it actually enriches the soil and will give extra vitamins to my plants that are going to be growing this summer. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. So obviously this is an extreme terrain example of creating a garden bed. My point being here is that if we end up doing this in half an hour, it's quite possible if you have a smaller yard that you could actually do this in half the time if you're not having to run with a wheelbarrow up and down a hill 50 times. So I leave my wheelbarrow, run back to get my box cutter, and while I'm gone, he comes along and pushes over my wheelbarrow. Not a very nice thing to do to your mom, Rayan. With this cardboard, we are leaving about this much space, so about 10 to 12 inches around the border of the new bed. And what that's going to do is that's going to kind of give us a little barrier against weeds and grass that are going to start encroaching on this garden bed over the summer.
What are you gonna do about that?
Look, I'm even gonna help you. Look at that. No, not really.
You're so mean.
So we will be following this garden over the growing season. I want you to be able to see that this is not just some kind of gimmick video idea, that this is actually a real garden bed that will produce over the growing season. One thing I want to say about these no-dig garden beds that are super simple and easy like this is that There are so many different ways that you can actually improve upon them later on when you have more time. So if you're just late getting your garden started, it's July and you want to get a few things planted, then this is a great thing that you can just throw down and it will get you through planting season. Later on, you might want to actually come back and put in some concrete blocks. I've used logs before. I also use 2x4s, things like that to actually just hold in the dirt and give it a little bit more form and prevent erosion.
Stop touching my bed. I'm sure that you're doing something.
It's all right to need a little
like
help from your mama. It's okay to lift. Yeah, put this in front of me.
Oh la la.
Oh la la.
I finished. Boom.
Who won?
It's me.
I helped him.
I know she did. I did.
Sabotaged
it
me.
was. I think there's only one way to settle this one. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Yeah, baby. You're done.